Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of your Apple AirTag. So you first just need to grab your AirTag and make sure the silver side with the Apple logo is facing you. Now using both fingers, we're going to turn this plate counterclockwise. Now after a small rotation, that's going to remove the lid from the back of the AirTag. Now inside you'll see this battery and the plus symbol should be facing you. Now these require a CR2032 battery, which is a very common battery for watches and things like that. So all we're going to do now is remove the battery, and then you're going to place your new battery inside of the Apple AirTag. Make sure that the plus symbol is still facing you. You can then place the lid back onto the AirTag and you can rotate this clockwise. You may need to give this a firm press to ensure the AirTag is secured correctly. You may also hear a small sound on the AirTag to indicate that it is working. Now typically the batteries in these last for roughly a year, so you shouldn't need to do this again for a very long time. And if you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.